Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking for Roblox Studio Software? You're in the right place. I'll show you a step-by-step process to download and install Roblox Studio Software in this video. First, open up your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in Roblox Studio and hit enter. You'll want to click on the official link that says Roblox Creator Hub. Once the landing page loads, go ahead and click the big Start Creating button right in the center of the screen. A pop-up will appear asking you to download the software. Click Download Studio, choose a spot to save the installer, and hit Save. Once the download finishes, open your File Explorer, locate the Roblox Studio installer file, and double-click it to run it. The installer will now set everything up. This might take a couple of minutes, depending on your internet connection. So just hang tight while it configures the studio in the background. Once the installation wraps up, Roblox Studio will launch automatically and take you straight to the welcome screen. You'll notice my account is already logged in here. That's because I'm currently signed into Roblox on my web browser, so it connects automatically. If you don't have an account yet, simply hit Sign Up, Log In, and you can jump right into building by selecting a template. And that's it. You're ready to start creating your own experiences. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.